African Independence Day are all a joke because the masses are still thinking like the colonizers managing their intelligence. The colonizers are managing their intelligence. In order for Africa to be free to explore, you have to start looking at the sources, cause of all Otochon problems by the imperialists. All the Otochon problems were created by the imperialists. Africans only want to concentrate on the frameworks of events formulated by British, France, and not the original work of evil, genocide, and thievery caused by the imperialists to fund the ancestral debts of their European monarchs for the spoil of their bankers. Africans bicker, fight, and kill each other over ideas they didn't invent, with weapons they didn't invent. All of you are not Nigerians. You are nothing more than a clone appendage of some colonists pissing you all into a hurricane. 90% of the people in Africa are clones. And all the countries in Africa are nothing but concentration camps. A product of colonization. The clones are a product of the colonists, the colonizers. Notice colo in colonization. It's funny, in broken English, colo means insanity. The colonists came with a mechanism known as MK Ultra, which is extreme mind control. Colonizing people is the act of cloning them. After a cloning is completed, everything else happens automatic. And a clone always imitates the characteristics of the cloners. For example, an African clone will develop a syndrome called self-hate. Then he or she will begin to detest their looks or language. He or she will begin to color their skins until it is as identical as the cloner's skin. All these little acts from the clones makes the colonizers, whom are the cloners, more comfortable around the clones. The word clone also fits the word clown, which also fits the word colo, which means an insane person in broken English.
You know what's in? Now your colleague where they carry go grown 2 weeks, they kill him. What's going to happen to your wife? What's going to happen to your children? You know what's going to happen? Madam, you're Virginia Atiku. Your colleague was killed. The other time, one of them pregnant was killed. And if they kill you today, they won't do anything. They'll call you to come and attack us.
us the organizers and the directors of SARS. That is the Special Anti-Robbery Squad that has been killing young people across the country. Yes. Since 1992, we want to demand to see the Inspector General of Police. Yes. Yes. The Inspector General of Police is a civil servant, and we, representing the Nigerian people, Nigerian youths, have come here today to deliver this very strong message to him. We are no longer interested in banning of SARS. Yes. They have banned SARS more than the number of times they have proscribed Boko Haram. Yes. Greatest Nigerian people. Yes. You don't even know where they are taking it. What is this? Can we have people don't know house, please? We are here the same way people as Nigeria today in Benin City. There are people in Lagos, people in Abeokuta, people in Enugu, people in Port Harcourt, and this is just the beginning of this protest until SARS is completely scrapped, dismantled, and disbanded. Yes!
Authority is not the police, army, nor politicians. These are not the authority. They are just puppets, characters, zombies. There is the word author in authority. Authority is the author that created the evil system that is being played out. African police system was not created by Africans. African police system traces their origin to the colonial police forces. Everything that African police do today are exactly all the things that the colonial police were doing to African people. They are still following the same books written by the author, the colonizers. The colonial police were not created to keep African people safe. They were created to kill, torment, and extort accessories from the African people. The colonizers came from the United Kingdom. Police in the United Kingdom are unarmed, but in Africa they are armed. Why? Because they need to keep the masses in perpetual bondage.